The volleyball action continues here at the Phil Oil Center in San Juan for the first day of the 2026 Spikers Turf Open Conference. Now, the Crisscross King Crunchers, the new kings of the turf, are riding the momentum of their first ever championship.
And after finally tasting glory, they now set their sights on claiming the vacant Open Conference throne and proving that their reign is only getting started. But standing in their way are the VNS Griffins, a team that has called the Spikers Turf their home for over a decade. Today, they parade a young, hungry, and fresh lineup eager to carve their own legacy. Fiona Bacani here reporting from the sidelines, and today a new chapter begins. Only here at the 2026 Spikers Turf Open Conference.
Coming to you from the Phil Oil Center in San Juan City. It's a beautiful Wednesday, and it is the return, opening day of the Open Conference of the Spikers Turf in 2026. A very exciting day. It's been a long wait, 3 months we've had since the Invitational Conference was done and dusted, and the Crisscross Crunchers are looking to continue their run on top. Two mainstays are back going head-to-head with VNS here. Been with the Spikers Turf for over a decade, taking on the Crisscross King Crunchers in our second game of this Wednesday triple header. And later on, we have the 3B taking on Savoj in our third and final game. It's an action-packed opening day here at the Phil Oil Center. Jingham Lang and Yos Sioson calling the action here. Finally, nagbabalik na naman ang Spikers Turf.
That's right, nagbabalik ang Spikers Turf Open Conference, and alam natin, bakante ang trono nitong ating Open Conference because for the past year, alam natin, Signal ang nakakuha ng kampyonato for the past conferences. But now, we have 4 of the 6 teams na maglalaban-laban sa ating final for today's conference.
So yes, very exciting. It's time for a new champion as we take a look at our participating teams for this Open Conference. There are 6 competitors, 4 of them mainstays in the Spikers Turf. Tapos meron tayong dalawang nagbabalik in 3B Event Masters and the AEP Capstars.
That's right, we have AEP Capstars. We saw them last 2023 and 3B Event Masters last 2024, and we're glad to see them back, no? With the absence of Signal, alam natin mas naging reinforce ang ating mga teams dahil kumalat ibang players ng Signal dito sa ating teams.
So yes, very exciting lineup that we have here for our Open Conference. Let's talk a little bit about the tournament format so that everybody is informed as to what is at stake here. 3 rounds, preliminary round, the semifinals, and the finals. Lots of games for our competitors here in the Open Conference.
Lots of games, 6 teams will go a double round robin. So medyo matagal-tagal na liga ang ating mapapanood ngayong conference, and only the top 4 teams will enter the semifinals. And from there, a single round robin, and only the top 2 teams will enter the championship series, and rank 3 and 4 will enter the battle for third, and then another best of 3 series.
So ang ganda, no? 10 minimum games para sa ating mga competitors. If you make it into the final 4, you will get an additional 3. And then if you move on to the battle for third and for the championship round, may additional 2 games ka pa, at least, possibly 3 kung pumunta tayo sa third and final game. Now, let's focus in on the VNS Always Bright Laticrete Griffins. Ang sabi nga natin, no, mainstay sila dito sa ating Spikers Turf. But when you look at this lineup of head coach Ralph Ocampo, it is a very fresh and youthful squad that he has at his disposal.
As always, so for the past years, natin, ang VNS, ang daming napoproduce dyan ng mga batang players na napupunta kung saan sa university na. And we have here also, no, yung kita natin mga mainstay of VNS. We have Howard Guerra, isa sa mga PNVF under-16 na Alas players natin dito. And later on, pagkukwentuhan pa natin kung sino pa yung mga bago nating addition dito sa VNS AB Laticrit Griffins.
Grabe yung lineup na to. 7 teenagers, 4 of them part of the Alas Youth Squad. And now we can check in now with their coach, Ralph Ocampo.
Mas mataas yung level ng competition kasi kumalat yung signal eh. Kasi dati, ang top teams is always, yun nga, yung mga commercial teams. However, ayun nga, since kumalat sila, medyo nag-equal yung laban. And kami, we always, ang panglaban kasi talaga ng VNS is yung growth. We always start na, yun nga, mga bata. Pero at the middle of the season, makikita natin yung growth nila as from kids to matured player.
There you have it. Now let's focus in on the Crisscross King Crunchers. Fresh off victory sa Invitational Conference. And finally, they got that monkey off their back. They have a pretty solid lineup still, but they've even made some key additions in Lloyd Yosafat and Alchi Gupiteo.
We all know how solid Crisscross King Crunchers, no? Lalo na last conference kung saan tinalo na yung Kinta University sa Invitational Conference. But now, we have Alchi Gupiteo from beach volleyball player from USC, and Lloyd Sapat, another Alas player from also from Signal.
So they're expected to be the favorites in this conference. We have an opportunity to check in with their coach, Carl Baisa.
In our mindset, lahat equal ground. So we wanna put all our efforts. Hindi kami dapat overconfident. And we're really thinking na lahat ng teams ay malakas, nag-prepare. Everybody's training well. So on our end, we're just really motivated and focused to get our second championship. Kasi it's not easy eh. After the first, there's always that pressure na hindi naman namin matatanggal. And syempre, we just have to continue our motto na dapat happy lang and ibigay yung best game namin every single game.
It's a fresh challenge para sa Crisscross King Crunchers. They are now the hunted from being the hunters in the Spikers turf. We're so excited to have you with us, and we hope you guys are enjoying the action on One Sports Plus. If you can't watch the match, we hope you can join us on social media. Use the hashtag SpikersTurf2026 to make sure that you are in on all the conversation regarding the Spikers Turf opening day. Now let's turn you over to our stadium announcer.
Where power meets passion. Match number 2 features our VNS always bright Laticrit Griffins and our Crisscross King Crunchers. Presenting our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Patrick Alan Castillo, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Fernando Velarde, National Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our VNS Always Bright Laticrit Griffins. Let's begin with jersey number 8, Winfred John Santos. At number 11, Terence Martishon. Wearing jersey number 13, Howard Guerra. At number 14, jersey Santos. Number 16, John Mark Abongen. And number 20, Jo-Marie Gamoteo. Starting libero is their team captain, number 2, John Joshua Cruz. Head coach, Mr. Ralph Ocampo. Let's welcome our crisscross King Crunchers. Let's begin with their team captain, who wears jersey number 9, Adrian Villados. At number 5, Jude Garcia. Wearing jersey number 19, Noel Michael Campton. At number 20, Lloyd Josephat. Number 24, Edlin Paul Colinares. And number 25, Alce Gupeteo. Starting libero is number 18, John Philip Pepito. And head coach, Mr. Anusorn, Coach Tai Bundit. This is match number 2, the Open Conference preliminary round of the Spikers Turf.
So here we go. Our starting lineup here for VNS AB Laticrete Griffins. We have Jersey Santos, John Obungen, Terence Martichon, Howard Guerra, Jo-Marie Gamoteo, and Winfred Santos. We have Joshua Cruz as their libero. Tingnan naman natin ngayon ang crisscross King Crunchers. Jude Garcia is the main man. He's joined by Edlin Colinares, Alce Gupeteo, the new man, Adrian Villados, Lloyd Josephat, and Noel Campton. John Pepito will be the libero. King Crunchers will get us started. Set 1 underway. And first point goes to VNS.
Yes, we all know, no, bago yung mga ibang players dito ng crisscross. So, malaking factor ang pag-gel ng mga bawat teams. And also for VNS.
Quick response. Mula sa crisscross, King Crunchers with Colinares with a lovely kill spike there.
Of course, no, ang gandang setup din itong makikita natin today. VNS, we all know, babata ng players. And on the other side of the court, crisscross, karamihan dyan, mga veterano na talaga.
Ang sinasabi nga ni Coach Ralph, for them, it's all about progress, and it's a great experience for them to be going up with against such quality that crisscross provides. Get a back set. Attack still alive. Second opportunity here for VNS. That is a clever touch at the net.
Santos of VNS. Yan yung kailangan din gawin dito ng VNS eh. Play smarter kasi alam natin ang lalaki din dito ng crisscross. But VNS ang lalaki din, no? Ang babata pero ang lalaking players.
Yun nga yung gusto kong bagitin, Diyos. Parang mga man-child at mga VNS players.
Ang tanong ko, saan ba nakukuha talaga ni Coach Ralph? Isa sa mga magagaling mag-recruit ng mga gantong kalalaki at kababatang players si Coach Ralph.
Like we did mention, no? 7 teenagers sa kanilang kupunan. And I'm talking 16, 17-year-olds. Mga high school pa yan. They don't look it.
And some of them, napag-usapan natin kanina, player ng under 18 and under 16 ng Alas, ang PNBF. And welcome back to Lloyd Josephat. One of the new additions dito ng crisscross together with Gupeteo.
Good blocking at the net. Josephat getting back to back.
Good block there with Campton and Josephat. Let's take a look at that one more time. No coverage there on the side of VNS.
One-handed set. It's going to be a free ball now. Campton. Too hot to handle.
Isa yun sa mga dapat din bantayan dito ng VNS. No? Alam natin medyo maliit yung blocker sa harap dito ng VNS. So kailangan patibayin nilang mabuti yung floor defense nila.
Santos leaning back. Back row attack. Tough set to deal with. To celebrate na yung crisscross. A little bit premature, but in the end, sa kanila pa rin ang puntos. It's 6-2 now. Medyo nakakalayo na ang King Crunchers.
Mukhang kaya pa yun. But ito nga, medyo nag-struggle ang VNS sa reception nila. Kaya hindi makakuha ng magandang set plays. Ito si Guerra.
VNS can take advantage here. Get it with a back set. Campton. Santos ngayon. At naibalik na naman ni Josephat.
Grabe ang blockings dito ng Chris Cross. Very established blocking sa pinapakita dito. Sunod-sunod na block ng nakuha ng Chris Cross.
At this time, makakasagot ang VNS.
But a good spike there by Santos. But 4 blocks lang nakuha dito ng Chris Cross in this first set. But finally, no, nakalusot dito si Santos.
Campton. Off the combination. VNS scrambling and staying alive. Pero medyo mabigat lang yung palo na yun. And that will take us into our first technical timeout. Chris Cross pulling away with a 5-point lead.
Coming to you live from San Juan, this is the 2026 Pikers Turf Open Conference. Now, despite their breakthrough title, the King Crunchers refuse to be content. They told me that inside their camp, it's back to zero. They've gone back to the basics, sharper sets, tighter blocks, and smarter plays, and with new additions to the roster, the hunger burns even stronger. Every training feels like a battle, with each player fighting for a spot on the court. But beyond defending a crown, there's a deeper weight they now carry. With the absence of signal, the spotlight and the responsibility feel heavier. Para sa kanila, parang araw silang nawalan ng kapatid. And now, the mission is bigger than just one team. It's about lifting men's volleyball in the Philippines together. Chris Cross is determined to rise even higher and to bring the sport along with them. Back to you, Jing and Dios.
Thank you so much, Fiona. And it's an interesting position na kung saan nalagay itong Chris Cross because dati clear yung barometer kung ano yung level na kailangan nilang marating. It was signal. Ilang beses silang nag-second place kontra sa signal. Ang kailangan nilang i-reach is to be better than signal. Ngayon, they're setting the tone, Yos. It's a different challenge altogether.
But also, no, the pressure is on for Chris Cross kasi hindi mo alam, may mga bagong teams na, although hindi man bago, but ang daming addition sa mga teams na nandito ngayon.
So hindi na natin alam kung ano ma-expect natin.
That's right. And also, no, talagang kailangan mas determined talaga ang Chris Cross, lalo na sila yung team to beat this conference.
They're getting off to a good start here. Ahead kontra sa VNS. Quick attack down the middle. That's unstoppable.
Good tweak there by Josephat. Mukhang okay na okay yung gelling nitong Chris Cross kahit may mga dalawang bagong addition. Now, sa frontline naman, no, si Gupiteo. Also a new addition for Chris Cross. And another bad reception for VNS.
Took a touch on the way out.
And a good touch there. So far, no, medyo nag-struggle pa rin sa reception itong VNS, but so far, nagagawa niya ng paraan. That was Martishon, that open hit.
Gupiteo. Not the best contact. That's a sobra. Yung palo doon.
That was Gupiteo. Sa mga new addition nga, as I've said earlier, nitong Chris Cross. So magiging challenge naman sa kanila, no, yung gelling din. Itong Team Chris Cross.
It's a good reception from Gupiteo. Jude Garcia has been quiet so far. He'll do the setup job here for his new teammate at naibalik ng VNS.
Finally, a good run here by VNS. Good block there. on Gupiteo. Medyo nakangapa pa kasi alam natin, no? Ang hirap din talaga ng adjustments, Jig, ng paggaling kang buhangin and then magta-transition ka sa hard court. It's gonna take a while.
Chris Cross determined to get Gupiteo involved. And he obliges with a lovely cross-court hit.
Finally, Alci Gupiteo's first point. Welcome to Spikers Turf. And welcome to Chris Cross.
Again, the defense is on point for the King Crunchers.
And for sure, alam ng Chris Cross na pupuntahan dito ng VNS itong si Marticion. Kaya naman, very well-established block there by Jude Garcia and Popper Colinares.
Marticion, 16 years of age.
Ooh.
And Jude Garcia coming alive with back-to-back points.
That's right. One of our MVPs, Jude Garcia. That regalo. Actually, mukhang papalabas na yung coverage dyan ni Marticion. Kaya lang kinuha niya pa yung bola.
Set up down the middle. Single coverage from Gupiteo is good.
Ooh.
Looking a bit disjointed at the moment. Garcia picking up the pieces.
Once again, Jude Garcia with that clean hit.
And it's going to be a timeout on the floor. Let's listen in to VNS.
Ilan yung spiker mo? Nangyayari kasi wala ka ng option eh. Basta tinataas mo lang kung saan ka komportable. Kailangan tinitignan mo kung sino yung mga pwede pang pumalo. Pwede ka magbigay ng pipe. Pwede ka magbigay pag-alanganin open tapos cover. Minamadali yung makascore eh. Ilan yung binigay nyo sa net na easy over? Pwede nyo yung i-replay eh. Pwede kayo mag-uulit ng ng atake eh. Kaso sino-shortcut nyo eh. Kaka-shortcut nyo, laki na nalamang oh. Kanina nahabol na eh. Go tayo!
Message is clear from Coach Ralph Ocampo. Stop cutting the corners, do things correctly, and good things will happen.
I think that's because of their reception. So nahihirapan mag-distribute ng magandang set plays itong si Guerra kasi nga nahihirapan siya sa reception. VNS.
Better execution this time from VNS.
A good time out there by Coach Ralph Ocampo. A good side out by VNS.
Really is quite extraordinary. Two 16-year-olds linking up for that play. Howard Guerra, kaka-birthday lang
That's right. Happy birthday.
yesterday. What a treat this is for him. Jude Garcia showing how it's done.
Kung titignan mo itong si Jude Garcia, parang easy lang. Pumuntos for Jude Garcia. But for VNS, kailangan talaga nilang mas patatagin yung blocking sila.
Santos sent back. Colinares with the kill block. Lead is 7 for the Chris Cross King Crunchers. We'll be right back.
Sa ngayong conference po is happy and excited, and syempre meron din pong onting kaba kasi meron din kami pinanghahawakan na title. So ang mindset lang namin is perform na maayos, sunod sa mga coach, and ayun, pakita ng magandang performance every game.
Adrian Villados there, showing what the challenge is for the King Crunchers in this conference. What a save! Kept alive. VNS turning the screw and earning their 10th point of the set.
Kita natin, pagka nakakuha ng magandang reception ng VNS, kaya din lang makisabay dito sa crisscross. Look at that. Martishon on the back row. But good effort there by crisscross.
Gamotea. Campton just overcooked a little bit.
So much angle there for Noel Campton. Kasi kita niya, isa lang yung blocker na naiwan. So medyo pag ganun, medyo mong gigigil ka. Gusto mong lakasan yung palo mo, but I think the set was a bit low for Noel Campton.
Jo Marie Gamotea to serve. Another one of these 16-year-olds for VNS. And this one fired through the block.
Popper Colinares, that quick hit.
Among the younger players, actually, of this King Crunchers side. And that is another lovely play here para sa VNS.
Jersey Santos finally getting his first point on the opposite side. Kasi kanina, lagi siya nabablock. Hindi siya makapasok, but this time, nakakuha siya ng puntos finally for VNS.
Subbed off after scoring that point. Justin Yatko to serve. Campton. And growing in confidence here is VNS.
Yan ang mga gusto ng coaches natin for VNS. Pagka pinasok ka, ready. Itong players ng VNS, that was number 10 Pablo Kian. Sa mga young players din dito ng VNS. 20 years old only.
Garcia, when you need a point, you know who to go to.
That's right, you know where to go. Jude Garcia.
In the last conference, Jude Garcia was a real standout in the league. He's become a real leader as well para dito sa crisscross. What a serve. Medyo mababa yung set. Tried to push it over. Didn't quite pan out. We're going to see a pair of substitutions now for crisscross as Adahar checks in alongside Mamone.
Alam din natin na how deep itong bench din ng crisscross. One of the younger players also.
Actually, the youngest player now here for crisscross on the floor, Luca Mamone.
25, no? If I'm not mistaken.
23, I think.
23. Yeah, that's right. Yung math ko hindi nagmamath. So thank you for that. But man, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala sa age difference itong VNS and
Grabe,
crisscross.
diba?
My gosh. 16. Youngest for VNS and we have 23 for crisscross.
Nabitin nila ng konti. Service off the tape there. Adahar setting up Canton. He's able to fire it off the hands at the net.
Off the block hit there by Noel Campton. And good set there by Ecuador, former teammates. De La Salle University.
Nandyan pa rin yung connection.
That's right.
It's a good reception. Nice execution from VNS. Mamone showing he's got the ability of a setter as well as he sets up Gupiteo nicely.
High ball there for Gupiteo. And a timeout there by VNS.
bola kinakatch niya eh. Sinabi ng tignan niyo yung spike, ito shadow. Pakinig kayo, kasi tignan mo, lumalaki yung...
Down by 8 at the moment, with Chris Cross 3 points away from claiming the first set. Coach Ralph Ocampo calling a stop to proceedings momentarily. Wants to see a nice fight back here. Wants to see his team dig in and not just let Chris Cross get over the line.
Ooh.
Not what you want to see. Fresh off a timeout. Ace para kay Campton.
A powerful serve there by Noel Campton. Yun yung mahirap dito eh. Pag nakuha mo na yung rhythm mo, lalo na sa service area, it's very little, lalo na yung jump shot na katulad nun.
Switching it up. And this time, yan ang gusto makita ni Coach Ralph Ocampo.
That's right. Eh, hindi naman yung madedevelop dito on the side of VNS, no? Yung maturity nila na meron ng Chris Cross. Yan natin, talagang veteran yung karamihan dito sa Chris Cross naman. And for VNS, mga bata talaga. And alam natin yung makukuha din nilang experience dito sa ligang to.
Elijah Guzman. A service ace for the 16-year-old.
Nice serve. Kakapasok lang. No? Yung sabi ko kayo na, yun yung gusto ng mga coaches natin. Pag pinasok ka, ready ka talaga. Yan yung pinakita sa atin dito ni Guzman, Elijah. Also 16 years old.
Another good serve from him. Mamone. Gets his first point for the Chris Cross King Crunchers.
A sharp cross-court hit there by Mamone. On the opposite side.
Set point ngayon. Get up. And that is clever from the setter, but did not manage to keep that one in play. And there's going to be a review on this.
First challenge of the game. VNS.
This one to try to extend the set. Worth a look. It's a clever move. If it stays in, Malaki Guerra.
One of our last players, under 16 and under 18. And the same MVP, PNVF.
A promising future for our national team. Fantastic para sa development nila na nakakapaglaro sila sa ligang Spikers Turf at nakakalaban nila such high-level opposition.
That's right. Yung lagi din natin pinag-uusapan na parang ang gandang exposure talaga sa mga batang manlalaro natin dito sa VNS. Ooh!
Tama nga sila.
Inside. Successful challenge for VNS, and why not? Kahit medyo patapos na yung set, no? Siyempre, kailangan mo madala yung momentum on the second set.
Great awareness from Guerra to spot the opening. 7-point game.
Ayun lang.
Nabawi ka agad.
Nabawi ka agad.
Howard Guerra fires that one into the net. And that is the first set done and dusted. The job done for the reigning champions of the Invitational Conference. And getting their Open Conference off to a great start as they take the first set 25-17. Well, we'll be right back. Crisscross King Crunchers getting off to a perfect start. 25-17. They looked impressive in that first set, Yos.
That's right. No? Medyo nakita natin kung gaano ka-mature at gaano nag-gel na ang team dito ng Crisscross. How solid they are in this conference. And of course, for VNS, no, alam natin medyo bata pa karamihan ng players dito. But lumalaban pa rin naman sila in terms of attacking, and also medyo nahirapan lang sila sa reception kaya hindi makakuha ng magagandang set plays dito si Gero ng VNS. But for Crisscross, very solid performance at the first set. Very well-established blockings. Talagang ang laki ng contribution nila sa blockings. Kitang-kita naman natin dito sa stats ng first set. Attacks medyo pantay lang, 12 for VNS, 13 for Crisscross. But ito, very well, ayun nga, kanina ko pa sinasabi, talagang ang lakas ng blockings at ang ganda ng blockings dito ng Crisscross. 7 points for them and only 1 for VNS. Service aces, 1 each lang. And opponent's error, medyo mababa yung errors ng both teams, but yun nga, no, ang taas ng blocking sa pinakita dito ng Crisscross, which is yun yung dapat bantayan dito ng VNS.
And we saw it, naababad ni Coach Tai ang mga new additions niya, si Josephat, si Gupiteo. We even saw the inclusion of Mamone earlier on. So, nakikita natin, medyo new look ang Crisscross dito. Ang dami pa nilang baon actually on the bench. It's a scary proposition for the rest of the league that Crisscross already looking so dangerous with this new look team.
A very younger. Kung masasabi ko man yun, medyo younger version of Crisscross yung nakikita natin kasi on the bench, kita natin sila Kim Malabungan, dyan pa, no? Sila Rex Intal on the bench, outside, and we also have Brekinton. Nakita natin na babad last conference, but now kita natin mukhang ina-expose ng Crisscross ang mga additional na players natin, which is Gupiteo and also Josephat.
And they've started off really well, particularly Josephat, who has contributed a lot to the 7 kill blocks they already have. Overreach ang itatawag dito kay Campton. Because of the look of disbelief on his face, Coach Tai agrees at ita-challenge niya dito.
But based on that replay, mga nasa court pa yata ng VNS. But we'll see on the challenge. Kaya meron tayong challenge. Makikita natin kung ano talaga yung nangyari on that sequence. And also, no, mga nag-upgrade naman from players, coaching staff, from Albaso and also Jewel Asia, na player before, but now coaching staff na. And yes, reaching beyond on the welcome ton.
Unsuccessful challenge. First one para kay Coach Tai Bondit. One apiece. Beliados setting up Campton. Took a touch. At mukhang magkakaroon ng challenge dito.
Kanina wala akong challenge until malapit na matapos yung set, but this, dami na natin challenge agad. Kaka-start pa lang ng second set, alam natin kung gusto agad manalo ng bawat teams.
VNS, medyo nag-struggle sila in that first set. Yos, ano ba yung kailangan nilang gawin dito sa second set na medyo mas madikit nila itong laban na to?
Bukod sa reception nila, no, na medyo nahihirapan sila makakuha ng set plays, dapat makakuha sila ng magandang palo talaga. Kasi alam natin, nakita natin ng first set, 7 points ang nakuha ng Crisscross sa blockings. Kaya very important dito na kung paano nila malusutan ang blockings dito ng crisscross. But yun yung challenge. Check ball. Mukhang hindi naramdaman. Sobrang bilis ng bola.
Yeah. See the middle finger there. Pull back. Colinares already with 3 attack points. Down the line. Close, but out. Challenge na naman.
And another challenge yata ang makikita natin for VNS. Ball in, ball out nga ba ang itatawag? Or
I think they withdrew the challenge. No, they will push through with it.
magkakaubusan yata agad tayo ng challenges dito sa second set natin. And of course, alam na natin, every point is important, lalo na kung palaban mo ay crisscross.
Ooh, actually not. It's out, but
Outside.
I wonder though if it took a touch off a player.
Mukhang yung angle lang yun. No? Yung angle ng bola mukhang dumaan sa kamay ni Colinares, but hindi rin. And another poor reception for VNS.
Campton, soft touch. That will score.
Mukhang nakakarami ng puntos din si Campton. I think that was his 7th point or 8th point. And that off the block. Soft touch.
They're piling on the points here. The King Crunchers doing it on both ends, offense and defense.
And again, the blockings of crisscross. King Crunchers, very solid on this game.
Balintag, ipinasok dito ng VNS. Quick reactions to keep it alive from Colinares.
Ooh.
Net touch.
I think that was Josaphat. Nagkakamali rin daw sila sa blocking. Hindi lahat ng oras nakakapunta sila. Nice serve.
Campton making the most.
Ooh.
Free ball here. Right down the middle. Josaphat detonating.
I mean, look at that connection of Villados and Josaphat. Be quick for Josaphat.
The danger of Campton as a potential combination play. Mukhang nabulaga doon ang mga blockers. Nabitin service ni Jude Garcia. Bit of a stop-start set here to begin for the King Crunchers. And Josaphat getting going once again.
Hindi maabutan ng VNS, ng blockers ng VNS. Itong quick plays itong crisscross. Medyo nalilate ang blockers dito ng VNS.
Tough one to control, and it's right back to crisscross. Cupeteo, a lot of power on that hit. Second opportunity. Didn't quite connect. Gupeteo, good angle on that. That's going to be a net touch. Ronnie Adviento grazes the net with his forearm, and that will take us into the first technical timeout. Crisscross up by 5.
Welcome back to the 2026 Piker Surf Open Conference. Now, only 16 years old as of yesterday, Howard Guerra didn't just celebrate a birthday, he's embracing responsibility. With a rebuilt lineup this conference and many teammates not playing, Guerra knows that they're the youngest squad in the tournament. But for him, it's not just about power, it's about maturity. Kung hindi namin kaya makipagsabayan sa palakasan, papantayan naman namin sa mindset at diskarte dahil iisa lang naman ang volleyball, sabi nga niya. And now, more than ever, Howard is stepping up. With seniors gone, he is ready to lead. Being away from his hometown in Calatagan, Batangas, sacrifices are being made every single day. And yesterday, he spent his birthday away from family. But now, his wish ay sana makasabay kami sa top teams at sana makapasok sa Final Four. Balik sa inyo, Jing at Yos.
Maraming salamat, Fiona. And, you know, we've been keeping a close eye on Howard Guerra. Of course, kasama siya sa youth national team ng Alas. And 16 years of age, sabi nga kaka-birthday lang yesterday. He doesn't look out of place in this type of setup, which is very impressive for a very young man.
That's why MVP for a reason talaga itong si Howard Guerra. No? I mean, at 16, ako naalala ko na 16 ako, parang na-homesick agad ako noon eh. Umuwi agad ako ng bahay namin kasi, I mean, yung lakas ng loob nitong mga batang to, no? Iba din, lalo na nakatira sila sa VNS. Alam mo yun, parang far away from your family, talagang iba yung passion nila sa volleyball at a very young age.
And you're seeing it, that maturity in the young man, having overcome such difficulties to be able to pursue his passion. Great serve. Gupiteo. Lovely angle on that hit.
A very sharp cross-court there by Gupiteo. Yung height parang ni Gupiteo and also the elevation dahil galing ka sa beach volleyball. Iba din yung nagawa ng pagtalon mo. Ang laking contribution ng buhangin.
Inisip niya siguro ang saya, no? Hindi lumulubog yung paa niya.
And also, sa buhangin, nakakapagod talaga yun. Parang 10 times na nakakapagod sa hardcourt. And lalo na, dalawa lang kayo. Ang daming beach volleyball player dito. We also have Jude Garcia as well. Also, Requinton on the bench.
VNS keeping it close here. 4-point game.
Ooh.
Garcia. And that touch.
Players are also piling up here for VNS. Hindi naman hindi mo kailangan gawin. Lalo na kung crisscross ang kalaban mo. Dapat mas i-lessen mo talaga yung mga errors mo.
Nice quick attack. Put away by Gamotea.
Gamotea, also part of the under-16 lineup. Best middle blocker of the PNBF. You know, yung maganda nakikita natin sa VNS pag nakakuha sila ng magandang reception. So makakuha sila ng magandang set play. But another error on the side of VNS.
Terence Martichon. Service ni Colinares. Straight back to VNS. Second opportunity. Didn't get the dip. Didn't get the touch at the net either. ...21 years of age, Jersey Santos. Masasabi na natin, isa sa mga veterano ng VNS. Ganun kabata yung squad nila. Magandang bawi.
Another good cross-court there by VNS. Pinarget yung middle na nasa defense. Colinares.
See the reaction there of Colinares. Nasa tamang pwesto na dapat siya. And that will go long.
Another error on the side of VNS. Yung masakit eh, no? Lalo na kung naghahabol ka. Then sa service area, wala ka naman talagang kalaban. And all you have to do is ipasok yung bola, lalo na kung naghahabol kayo.
Griffins looking for a bit of momentum. They're able to respond quickly.
It's Michael Balintag. Outside hitter of VNS. So far, siya yung mga nakakuha ng magagandang puntos dito for VNS. Yun yung wala sa kanila ng first set eh. Kasi alam natin kung gano'ng establish yung blockings dito ng Chris Cross. And para makalusot ka, it's either paluin mo ng malakas sa kamay ng blockers para tumalsik yung bola, gaya na nakita natin kanina. And but this time, a good service by Yatko. Service ace. Mas nakakadikit na dito ang VNS.
Not the best execution from Chris Cross. They leave the door open here for the Griffins. Garcia
Ooh.
just taking it away from the double block and finding the hole.
So that ball control. Isa yun sa mga advantages pagka galing kang buhangin. Eh. Yung ball control mo talaga. Kitang-kita natin doon. Hindi ganun kalakas but the proper hawak sa bola and placing ng bola.
Papasok na yun for the first time. Angelo Nicolas Almendras. Go-to dito ng VNS. Si Balintag, but this time, bantay sarado at the net. It is into the second technical timeout we go. Lumaki na dito ang lamang ng Chris Cross, 16-10.
Siyempre, yung pinagdaanan namin last season, sobrang saya namin. Kasi, siyempre, first champion ng Chris Cross and ng Rebisco team sa men's volleyball. And ngayon, sobrang excited kami kasi maraming nadagdag, may bagong coaches kami. And mas excited kami maglaro kasi mas alam namin yung dedication namin last season, mas pinatibay namin yan. Kumbaga, may paghuhugutan kami na kailangan champion ulit din yan.
Colinares having a word and ang bilis, no? Kaka-start lang natin pero may timeout on the floor right away. Short break here. 17-10 ang ating score.
Huwag niyong i-error, huwag niyong itapon yung laro. Okay, o go tayo.
Coach Ralph Ocampo doesn't want this to get out of hand too early dito sa second set.
It's because sayang yung mga plays. Sayang kasi tinatapon daw. Means nag-e-error lang sila on their own. Kumbaga binibigyan nila ng libreng puntos itong Chris Cross.
That is a clever hit.
No coverage there for Chris Cross and finally a good timeout. Coach Ralph Ocampo and still medyo nag-struggle sa reception dito ang VNS. Pati gawa niya na paraan itong outside hitter ng VNS. Tapos Balintag. But nabawi. Yun yung pinapoint out ni Coach Ralph eh. Alam mo, nagbibigay ng libreng puntos sa Chris Cross. Hindi man lang kailangan. Dahil kayang-kaya ng Chris Cross gumawa ng sarili ng puntos. As much as possible, huwag ka na sana mag-error on your side.
Ito pa nga, no? Nadagdagan pa ang firepower from the bench. Kim Malabunga checking in. And it's a service ace from Josephat.
Very solid performance once again. This second set by Chris Cross. Service ace there by Lloyd Josaphat.
Yatko with a set. That one is out. Nagulat dun si Coach Tai. Munti ka na siya masali.
Too much angle there by Guzman.
Nandun pa yung reflexes ni Coach Tai.
As a volleyball player, isa yun sa mga madidevelop mo talaga. Ang bilis ng reflexes mo. Of course, Coach Tai, no? Medyo matagal-tagal natin nakikita si Coach Tai dito. Sanay na sanay yan dito sa gilid. Tatamaan at umilag. Minsan dumidepensa pa talaga yan.
8-point game. Great reception. VNS blocked at the net at napunta all the way to the corner.
Still a good block there by Chris Cross. Nihirapan talaga makalusot dito ang VNS.
Actually, it's the setter, Adrian Villados, able to get the kill block there. Quick down the middle. Malabunga doing the setup job. At narinig mo yung bench eh.
Nag-cheer kasi very rare makakita tayo ng middle attacker na nagsiset. It's either gusto nilang agawin sa setter ang second ball. And but a good point cross-court hit there by Gupiteo.
Maganda naman yung setup job doon ni Kim Malabunga. It's better from VNS, but Chris Cross had the answer. And Gupiteo again.
Tuwig natin nag-cheer agad ang bench ng Chris Cross. Nakita natin kasi yung sistema nila, nakikita nila dito at napapractice silang mabuti. Na pagka wala yung setter, pagka nakadepensa ang setter, alam natin ang kukuha ng second ball mostly is yung libero na.
Natural. Itong si Kim Malabunga. Pinapakitaan tayo ng range ng kanyang abilidad. But VNS able to respond here.
Finally, good response there by VNS. Yung yan, no? Isa sa mga way para makapunto sila dito sa blockings ng Chris Cross is hit it off the block.
Strong serve. Villados this time doing the setup work for Gupiteo, and that is a solid hit.
Kitang-kita niya na open yung gap doon ng blockers dito sa zone 1. Kahit medyo malayo yung set doon, kaya-kaya niya paluin yun.
Really picking up some steam here, si Gupiteo. It took him a little longer to get settled in contrast to Josaphat na napaka-bilis ng simula. But once he's gotten going, he's difficult to stop.
That's true. Alam natin. Kita-kita natin, no? Yung height din itong si Gupiteo. And also, yung pagtalon niya. Mataas din.
Miscommunication there. Malabunga expecting there was somebody coming behind him.
A rare miscommunication on the side of Chris Cross.
Masyado daw natutuwa yung bench ng Chris
Masyadong
Cross.
excited ang bench ng Chris Cross.
Service ni Marticion. And Jude Garcia with a bomb. Adding an exclamation here as the King Crunchers snatch the second set in dominant fashion. Let's have one more look at that.
Yung combination play na hinahanap nila kanina. Pinabawi agad dito si Jude Garcia.
Perfect execution as Chris Cross are one set away from claiming victory here. They take the second 25-15. Welcome back. 2 sets done and dusted. Crisscross, 2 sets in the bag. And that was an impressive one, even better than the first mula sa Crisscross King Crunchers. They won that one by a solid 10 points.
We saw some sparks for VNS, no? Medyo nakaka-adjust sila sa atake nila, which is very important kasi nga ang lakas ng blocking sa pinapakita dito ng Crisscross. And still, a solid performance on the second set. Itong Crisscross naman, a solid blockings pa rin. And attacking, ang bilis silang mag-adjust pag nag-error sila, nagkaka-adjust agad sila. Doon may mga counting errors on the side of sa service area, but then mas mataas na errors ang pinakita dito ng both teams. 12-point attacks for Crisscross and 9 for VNS. And still, no, yung blockings dito ng Crisscross, very solid. 3 blockings and service aces, one each pa rin. And then opponent's error, VNS mas tumaas na. Mas tumaas yung errors na binigay dito ng VNS for Crisscross, which is hindi kailangan ng Crisscross kasi alam natin kung gaano kabilis mag-translate ng points dito ang Crisscross.
At siguro yung frustrating na rin para kay Coach Ralph Ocampo is yung mga errors na yan usually just when they're about to start building momentum, bigla sila magkakaroon ng error, napapatay ka agad yung chance nila to get back into the set.
Good point, no? Kasi kita nga natin kanina, sabi mo, pag nakapuntos ang isa sa mga VNS players, napapalitan agad ng error after that point. Kaya yun yung medyo frustrating kasi hindi sila makuha ng matagal na momentum.
At the same time though, when you look at this squad, ang sabi nga natin, no, it's a very young team na meron ng Griffins. Perhaps there's medyo expected na rin that there are going to be some growing pains, some adjustments that need to be made in order for VNS to be a true contender dito sa Spikers Turf.
That's right, no? Mas madedevelop din nila talaga dyan yung maturity nila as a young player. Ang gandang experience din dito sa kanila facing mga mas veteranong players na dito sa ating conference. Also, no, yung mga additions talaga dito ng Crisscross, very solid as well. Josaphat with 9 points already. Of course, very well-distributed plays ang pinapakita din dito ng Crisscross. Campton, 8 points. Garcia, 8 points. Colinares with 4. And Gupiteo with 6 points. And also for VNS naman, no, medyo na talagang mas nakokontrol ng Crisscross yung game ng VNS, which is Mertition, only 6 points on this game. Santos, Jersey, 3 points. Santos Winfred, 3 points. Si Guerra, kahit setter, nakakuha ng 2 points.
So VNS looking to extend this further as we enter the third set. Jaren Requinton, pinasok na dito ni Coach Ty Bundit. First involvement for him. Glorioso also checking in. Grabe, ang lalim itong lineup ni Coach Ty Bundit. Adahar is going to be starting as the setter as well for this third set.
Mukhang nag-shuffle ng players dito ang Crisscross and also the positioning mukhang naiba din.
Tinanggal na si Kim Malabunga from setter duties.
But the blocking is still there. Requinton kakapasok lang, nakakuha agad ng block point.
So one way to announce your arrival. Jaren Requinton has become a real key player para dito sa King Crunchers. Requinton. One block, one spike.
Of course, the connection of Jude Garcia and Jaron Requinton. Former beach volleyball teammates yan. Ooh.
Hit is ballooned over.
Of course, Guerra mukhang pinapalo ngayon naman ni Coach Ralph. Setting duties. Yatko naman. Another shuffling naman for VNS. Mukhang medyo matagal sa kamay doon ni Glorioso yung bola.
Regalo na sana para kay Giancarlo Glorioso.
Medyo mabagal yung pagkaka-block niya doon. Medyo tumagal sa kamay niya.
No challenge from Coach Ty. Nabasa doon yung combination play.
Bit low. That combination play, medyo mababa yung pagkakaset doon kay Gupiteo.
Back Back-to-back points para sa Griffins. Adahar. Napabawi naman dito si Glorioso.
One of the veteran players dito ng Crisscross, Glorioso. Alam na, kitang-kita natin kung gano'ng kalalim talaga ang bench dito ng Crisscross. Kaya na may Kim Malabungan na may Jen Glorioso pa.
Yatko. Balintag was on the stretch. Nagawa ng paraan.
And again, Balintag, spark na hinahanap dito ng VNS. Nakuha ulit ang puntos off the block.
Mike Genesis Ferrer ipinasok ni Coach Ralph. Balintag with the dig. Nabasa ni Jude Garcia yung hulog. From the back row. Great floor defense. Ooh. Garcia able to find the hole.
Medyo na late ng konti doon si Gamotea. One step late. And good adjustment there by Crisscross. Kita natin, ang bilis gumalaw din ng Crisscross. Hindi nahulugan basta-basta ng bola ng VNS.
Lovely execution from VNS.
I mean, a very bright future here for Guerra. Hindi na setting duties, but ngayon, pinapapalo siya. And also an advantage yun, no? Pag ang center mo kaliwete, attacking center ka.
Grabe rin palang pumalo ito.
May palo din, but yun nga, kanina pag nakakapuntos ang VNS, nasusundan agad ng error.
It's a close game. Griffins down by 1. When they get a good first ball, they get to execute cleanly. At si Balintag makakapuntos dito. Ooh, well read by the VNS front line, but Garcia too difficult to stop.
A good coverage there by Crisscross. At magre-resulta yun sa isang magandang atake. Yun yung hindi na masyado natin nakikita dito sa VNS. Yung coverage nila, pag nabablock sila, walang nakakuha ng set ng support eh.
Reception ni Balintag. And this time, took a touch. Malabungan's block. That will take us into the technical timeout as Crisscross are up by 3.
You are still watching the 2026 Pikers Turf Open Conference, where Lloyd Josafat is embracing a brand new chapter with the King Crunchers, and he's doing it with heart. Only 3 weeks into training, Josafat admits that he is still adjusting, and the biggest challenge is adapting to Coach Ty's system, a style vastly different from what he was used to. Doon talaga ako nanibago, sabi nga niya, knowing that there's still so much to learn and fully grasp. Coming into this conference, his mindset is simple, to help the team. Now, his goal hasn't changed. It's still about winning championships. And what he brings from Signal is maturity and the ability to handle pressure in crucial moments. Now, his favorite part of being with the King Crunchers, despite the grueling training sessions, hindi raw talaga nawawala ang happy-happy culture. Tawanan lang din sa gitna ng hirap. For Lloyd Josafat, this isn't just a fresh start, it's a stronger one. Back to you, Jing and Dios.
Maraming salamat, Fiona. And hindi halata na nahirapan siya mag-settle in kasi grabe ang kanyang performance in this first game. And it got off to a really good start in that first set.
That's right, wala man sa court ngayon, but nag-contribute na ng 8 points si Lloyd Azafat kanina. First and second set.
Free ball, crisscross to the opposite side. And look at that. On the stretch, no problem.
Still yung fast play dito ng crisscross. And nakita natin, medyo maliit yung blocker doon ng VNS. Kaya talagang doon mapupunta ang atake ng crisscross.
Soft touch ni Martishon. Garcia kept alive here. Gupiteo. Fantastic hit.
Eko Adahar maximizing Alchi Gupiteo. An open hit.
From the back row, nabitin ng konti yung palo.
Medyo mababa yun for Guerrero.
A 6-point game. Lead swelling for the King Crunchers. Gamatea.
Ooh.
Blocked at the net.
Still inside for a crisscross.
Okay, Malabunga touches the tape of the net.
Total blocks of crisscross, 13. Grabe ang taas nun. Almost half ng set. For VNS, only 1 block point.
Merkinton.
Chance ball for VNS.
Unable to take advantage there. Ooh, look at that. Pinag-uusapan daw natin yung kill block eh.
On cue, second kill block of VNS in this game.
Kontra pa kay Jude Garcia.
Medyo mababa yung pagkakasunod ni Eko Adahar.
Not received well.
Chance ball for VNS. Ooh.
Was it kept in? Nope, just wide from Howard Guerra.
Medyo nanggigil doon si Guerra. But why not? Kasi nga, ang lakas ng blocking dito ng crisscross. Might as well paluin mo talaga sa kamay ng blockers.
Yatko this time going to Martishon. Second opportunity. And it's gonna be another kill block.
Kailangan lang pala natin pag-usapan para magising ang blocking dito ng VNS. Finally, third block point dito ng VNS. That was Guerra against Gupiteo.
Ooh. Disjointed on that play. Great defense on the floor. Garcia gets it over. Balintag. What a dig from the libero. Ooh. And Gupiteo puts it away. What a fantastic save mula kay John Philip Pepito to keep that one alive para sa crisscross.
Good dig there by Pepito, and look how fast. Bilis ng palo doon ni Gupiteo.
Over-received. That's going to cause issues here for VNS. At papasok tayo sa second technical timeout. Crisscross up by 7.
Vai no pau, vem no pau, vai no pau, vem no pau. Vai descendo na moral. Vai no pau, vem no pau, vai no pau, vem no pau.
Anong gusto niyong kulay? Blue o violet? Blue o violet? Ari madami.
Mukhang violet.
100. Pero madami. Madaming 100 na rin na.
Ano ng violet? Magkano?
Ari ang violet.
Dama isa.
Ay madami ari.
Ilan na? Nana.
Ito na. Ayaw niyo ng blue.
Mukhang blue.
1,000.
Sa'yo na.
Blue talaga ang tamang sagot.
That's right. Kahit ikaw eh. Pero kung mas marami yung violet, more than 20 pieces.
Ayun, yun, pwede.
Sa violet tayo.
Balintag. Nabasa yung soft touch. Sent over by Ferrer. VNS can regroup here. Balintag once more. Masyadong solid ang depensa doon ni Glorioso at ni Requinton.
The longest rally na nakita natin, but once again, no coverage on the side of VNS.
Pagka-set mo dito, doon ka ko-cover sa gitna. Pag-set mo doon sa may opposite, ko-cover ka ng line. Paulit-ulit tayo, wala kayong... Nag-e-effort yung spiker pumalo, hindi nyo kino-cover. Lumalaki yung lamang kasi hindi yung ginagawa yung pinapractice natin. Lagay nyo sa utak nyo, every time na may papalo, B-ball, alam nyo dapat saan kayo ko-cover. Maganda yung receive, maganda yung set, alam nyo dapat kung saan kayo ko-cover. Go tayo go tayo. Dikit tayo.
Learning under fire here for the lineup of Coach Ralph Ocampo. At nabanggit mo nga, no, Yos? So yung coverage talaga, kailangan i-improve dito ng Griffins.
Of course, kailangan niya ipaalala yun dahil sa mga batang players natin. No? Minsan nakakalimutan nila yung pwesto nila. Kita natin kayo, nagkatinginan sila kung sino kuha ng coverage. But if you're a veteran, talagang makikipag-agawan ka kung sino na yung kukuha niyan.
Gera na ibalik. Balintag. Wasn't a real clean hit. But mukhang napaganda. Saved by the King Crunchers. This time, soft touch mula kay Balintag. Nabasa na mabuti. This time they're going to get up. The longest rally of the game goes the way of the Griffins.
Kita natin, pag may magandang coverage dito ang VNS, no? Makakuha sila ng puntos, lalo na kung nandyan sa harap itong si Balintag. Dahil kanina pa siya nakakuha ng mas madaming puntos off the block. Dahil nga alam natin kung gano'ng kalakas ang blocking talaga dito ng crisscross.
Kian Pablo ipinasok para sa VNS. It's gonna be a free one here for the Griffins. Balintag na ibalik. Down the line, but he angled it a little too much.
Kita natin kung gano'ng katapang itong si Balintag na matake. Siya yung inaasahan dito so far ng VNS dahil nga yung blocking sa pinapakita pa rin talaga ng crisscross. And ngayon, pumalit na si Mamone. Isang mas malaking blocker dito ng crisscross.
Pero nakita na din natin agad yung impact ng better coverage from VNS. Immediately, longer rallies
That's
ang
right.
nakita natin.
Ooh.
Partition nakalusot.
Medyo malayo yung kamay nitong sa Kim Malabunga sa net. Kaya nakalusot dito ang VNS. Balintag with 7 points. Ayun na nga. Once again, pag nakakuha ng magandang puntos dito ang VNS, mapalitan ng error. Hindi nagtutuloy-tuloy yung run nila. Kaya lalong lumalaki ang lamang dito ng VNS. Ng crisscross.
Uupo muna dito si Balintag.
Jude Garcia with 11 points.
That one completely mishit from Jude Garcia to the middle of the net.
Stay lang daw sa 11 points itong si Jude Garcia.
Papalitan siya dito. Si Almendras papasok. Just a 6-point game as Mike Ferrer serves for the Griffins. Wow, beautiful hit Beautiful play for the King Crunchers.
Easy point there for Kim Malabunga. That quick hit. Medyo late ang blockers doon ng VNS.
Guerra keeps it alive. King Crunchers can take advantage here. Way to stay in the rally for the Griffins. Second opportunity, Mamone. Goes over.
Medyo malayo sa kamay ng blockers yun. Hitting error by Mamone.
Yatko quickly back in the game.
For a full front line for VNS. Kaya na nag-set itong si Guerra. But now, papalo na siya ulit. But another error. Now in the service area for VNS. Very frustrated ang coaching staff dito ng VNS.
Dinadaan sa tawa. Pero sigurado, it's gonna be a key point sa kanilang debrief ng laro na to. Minimizing those errors, particularly from the service area, but the King Crunchers doing the same on their end there with Mamone firing that one long. Killados setting up Glorioso, hindi nakatawid.
That was a bit low for Gian Glorioso. At babalik na. Eko Adahar and Jayon Reckington. And for a full front line naman on the side of Crisscross.
Uncharacteristically, medyo naging sloppy ng konti ang laro ng Crisscross.
Medyo dikit nga ang laban natin on this third set, but ang dami ding errors na binigay ng VNS.
Gupiteo getting the King Crunchers back on track.
Kung meron Jude Garcia ang Crisscross, meron na ding Gupiteo dahil wala sa court ngayon si Jude Garcia.
Over received. Free ball. Kept alive. Staying in the rally. Adahar setting up Jaron Requinton to perfection.
Combination play and that rally for Crisscross. Bukas na bukas yung cross court dun for Jaron Requinton.
On the cusp, getting closer to finishing this game. Requinton back to back. And that will be set point now for Crisscross. Or rather, match point for the King Crunchers.
Sa dami ng pupuntahan talaga dito ng Crisscross. May hirapan humabol sa blockings ng VNS.
Strong hit mula kay Guerra. So they get a second crack at it. It's a good one.
Doon natin makita how brave Guerra is. Batang-bata pero handang-handang pumalo. Even kung magsiset man siya, atake man siya. Yun yung gusto natin makita sa mga batang players natin dito. Palaban talaga.
Good reception. Well executed from the King Crunchers. Balintag. Requinton. And that will do it. Jaron Requinton coming up big in the crucial moments in this third set to put this one away for the Crisscross King Crunchers. Their first win in this open conference in the bag.
Let's take a look at that one more time. Jaron Requinton to end this match with a cross-court hit.
Crisscross King Crunchers, they're favorites in this conference for a reason, and they get the job done here against the VNS Griffins. We'll be right back to tie a nice bow on this second match of our triple header on this Wednesday.
Welcome back to the 2026 Pikers Turf Open Conference, and we are currently here with our best player of the game, of course, none other than Che Gupiteo. Che, congratulations! At syempre, welcome to Crisscross. Ngayon naman, alam ko, hindi naging madali itong adjustment period para sa'yo, pero hindi naman halata dahil sa ganda ng pinakita mo ngayong araw na ito. Ngayon naman, gusto namin malaman kung paano mo nalabas yung larong ito from beach volleyball to indoor volleyball.
Actually po, first and foremost, syempre mahirap po kasi iba talaga yung environment, also the tactics in comes of beach volleyball, indoor. So, nagano lang talaga ako, nagtiwala lang talaga ako sa coaches, coaching staff, mga managers namin, and also mga kuya ko and teammates ko na dyan always nag-ano sa akin, nag-guide. So, by the help of them, naka-adjust din ako. And then also sa loob naman kanina, medyo shaky siya kasi this is my first time sa paglaro sa Pikers Turf. So, teka ba? Then also happy kasi nandito na ako. Then, yun po, nag-usap-usap lang po kami na like, ano ba gusto mo? Ano bang kaya mo? Ano bang set na gusto mo? So, kinausap ko lang talaga yung mga kuya ko in terms of
Ayan, so kaba nga pero hindi naman halata yung kaba. Ayan, napakasaya. Happy nga naman talaga itong si Che. Pero ngayon naman, Che, alam kong this was a strong start, especially for Crisscross. Pero itong journey na to, this won't be easy in the next coming days. So paano nyo masusustain itong momentum, lalo na to defend the crown?
Okay. So first, yes, hindi yung training talaga. Since Coach Dai, alam naman si Coach is one of the best coach.
Yes.
And also yung mga coaching staff and also mga managers namin nandyan yung nag-support sa amin, which is malakas talaga sila. So we always believe in them, especially sa mga trainings nila and also sa guidance nila always sa amin. So kumbaga yung Crisscross family, yun po yung kinukuha namin ng lakas tapos talino na para namin sa Pikers Turf.
Okay, so thank you so much again, Che.
Pwede po magpasalamat.
Okay.
So, first and foremost po, thank you for Ribisco, Sir Jonathan, Ma'am Liz Ann, Sir Alan, Mami Kat, Alliance, World Balance, and also our team, Crisscross. Ay, Mai pa! Love you.
Thank you so much again. That is our best player of the game, of course, Che Gupiteo. Now, happy, and congratulations to our defending champions. So that's all from us over here. Back to you, Jing and Yos.
Thank you po.
Congratulations, player of the game on his debut. Can't ask for more than that. Now let's take a look back at our highlights of set 3.
Welcome to Pikers Turf once again, to Alchi. Tupiteo scored 11 points in this match. And of course, no, with the help of his teammates, we have here Kim Malabunga. Kahit medyo late na siya pumasok, pero pinakita niya kung gaano siyang kabeterano when it comes to playing in that middle spot. But also, props to Gero for VNS na talagang kahit batang-bata, alam natin kung gaano pa malayo ang mararating ng mga players ng VNS. But of course, for Chris Cross, very solid performance until the end of third set. Talagang pinakita nila kung gaano silang kasolid na team dito sa Open Conference. 13 attack points for Chris Cross, 7 for VNS. And still yung blockings na talagang solid ang pinakita nila dito. 5 points for Chris Cross, 1 service ace. But yun nga, medyo mas madami mang errors ang binigay dito ng Chris Cross on this third set. Yun nga, pinalitan naman lang ng magandang blockings and mas maraming atake for Chris Cross to win this game.
VNS showed their youth in this game. Still a bit raw, but certainly a team na talagang pagmamasdan natin throughout the conference to see their growth and how they develop up against these strong sides in the Spikers turf. But ang sabi nga natin, no, second game pa lang yon ng ating triple header today, as we still have the 3B Event Masters taking on Savoj Aesthetics Spin Doctors. That's coming right up. We hope you enjoyed this second match of our triple header. Para sa aking partner na si Yos Yos, ako po si Jing Hamlang. Salamat sa inyong panonood and we hope you stick around for the next game.